Do you want to decorate your own planner? Kilonotes offers a variety of beautiful covers and even allows you to upload an image as a cover. We can choose our favorite template from these 20 series. Concerned about your handwriting? Don't worry. Kilonotes can transform your handwriting into text. Just turn on this button. Moreover, Kilonotes provides numerous stickers to choose, so grab your favorite cute ones. If you're looking for unique fonts, simply click on the plus icon. After uploading your desired font, you can find it under the import font list. Wondering about color coding? Use the color picker to extract colors from your template. Long pressing a color allows you to rearrange or delete it, making for a vibrant note. Why not give it a go and personalize your planner?